All right, guys, so today I have an unboxing to do. Some silver unboxing, and I want to know what do I have inside because I kind of forgot. All right, but this is from apmex, and I'm going to be unboxing this today. So guys, thank you so much for watching another video from Urban Lifestyle. My name is Eli. This is a community all the way close to 10,000 strong. If you guys would like to help support this community, you guys can help out by leaving a subscribe, leaving a comment, leaving a thumbs up. Follow me on my social media platform, Urban Lifestyle 1989. And don't forget to hit that notification icon so you guys get future notifications of my future videos. And if you guys do decide to join this community, I sincerely want to say thank you in advance. Now, I know what you guys may be saying. You guys like,
what? You're using a Gillette? What the heck? You're using an actual razor to cut this? Oh man, you gotta be careful. You might cut your fingers because you have this side right here.
Guys, I've been doing this. I'm Haitian. Like, that's what we do. That's what we use for scissors back in Haiti. Even though I wasn't born in Haiti, I was born here in the US, but still, I know my culture. So let's go ahead and open this real quick. You see this? This is what's so hard. Like, they put like the cement glue or something. Gosh, this thing is so... Can you please open for me? Please, can you open for me? I'll do whatever you want. Oh yeah? If you're not gonna open, well, I got something for you. You think you're better than me, don't you? All right, I got something for you. Oh yeah? Well, you're not gonna open? Well, I got something for you. All right. Let's go. I give up, guys, I give up. This thing is so hard. Matter of fact, let's see. Let's do something totally different. And that's why I like the razor. It's awesome. So I wonder what do I have inside. There we go. Okay, we don't need this box no more. Throw this box away. This box gave me so much trouble. Throw this away with passion. All right, so what do we have in here? The bag is much more easier to open. Okay, never mind. Forget what I just said. All right, looking at it, I don't see nothing in this portion with the light being there. Let's go ahead. Guys, make sure you guys are safe. Like, if you guys see me do something like using a razor, trust me, this is not safe. I just know how to use it without getting hurt. All right, so I don't want nobody to try this at home. There we go. Easy access, and I'm not cutting through anything. Hopefully not. There we go. We got it open. To be honest with you guys, this is the hardest part of the unboxing. It took a lot of breath out of me. Let's see. What do we have here? Awesome. So we have some rolls here. Let's go with this first. We have this American Silver Eagle. That is damage. Never mind, looks like we're still in the hard part of the unboxing. Let's cut this baby open real quick. There we go. Easy. Cuts cuts through it like butter. But we have this severely damaged American Silver Eagle. Now, I purchased damaged American Silver Eagle from apmex before they call it coal. This is like the most damaged coin I have. Like, let's see, let's examine this real quick. We can see the top has a little chip to it. Okay, it's a little bit dirty, but I like it, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, I can clean this up. You know, I have videos where I've cleaned this up before, but not too much impressed, you know. I got damaged before, but it was better looking than this. But I don't mind it. It gives it like an antique look to it. Well, not the front. The front look just looked like it was burned up. But the back, though, look at the back. It's beautiful. I ain't gonna lie, I like it. Let's see what year this is. This is 1995. They couldn't give me 1996. Just 1 year off. Just give me the 1996. Those are more expensive. Then I would have been like, hey, you know what? Since I got 1996, I don't mind. I don't mind at all. Looking at it, let's see right here, we see a little bit more damage right there. Or is that the same one? Let me double check. Nope, it's a different one. See, the back side has damage on the top, and the front side has damage on the top too. It's like they made this like this. But let's see. Still looks good. I'll keep it. Let me see, what was the year again? Yeah, I already said that, 1995. I'm tripping. Okay. So I'm gonna put this, I don't even think this deserves a capsule, but I think I only have 2 more American Silver Eagle to fill up with one of my, I think my 4th tube of American Silver Eagle. So put this aside, move that aside. And what do we have here? We have some war nickels. We have 3 war nickels. And man, that one looks good. You see that mirror finish right there? It looks real nice. But let's open it up and see what do we have. This looks even more beautiful. There we go. There we go. So you guys know I like my war nickels, not for me to keep. Of course, I'm gonna take a little bit of this to have for myself. It says 20, like I have 20 of them in there. Some war nickels there. Let's see. I might go in there and see, because I know I'm supposed to take 18 of them and keep them for myself. Reason being is because you guys know on Wednesdays I like to play a little, you know, show my little support. You know, for anybody who shows support, they get to choose out of this. Every Wednesday we do that. So I gotta keep it filled up. Let's see. This one I'm definitely gonna keep just because of that mirror finish. If you look at that, and it's different. I've never seen the S. Anybody that's watching this right now, I'm not too much of a numismatics guy, but this right here, this one looks different. Let me know. Is this special? Is this worth anything right here? Let me know, because I'm looking at everything else, or maybe I just never seen this before, because this one looks like it has it too, or maybe just it's so shiny or something. Yep, everyone know this one has a D on there. What does it mean? I don't know. I mean, all I do is talk about silver. I don't know about no numismatics type of stuff. I might have to hit black still. All right, this one has an S. Like, I don't know, do regular dimes have them? I don't know. Let's see, this one has a P. I have no idea what this means. I don't know if it's worth something. I don't know if it's not. So that's why I asked you guys if you know. But I have another one. Matter of fact, okay, I was about to say. Okay, there we go. Let's open up this one real quick. There we go. So guys, definitely check me out on Wednesdays. All right, because most of these guys is gonna be going to you guys. All right, whoever shows support to the channel, these are gonna be going out to you guys. Right there. Real nice. All right, let's open up the last one and see what we got here. Let's see. Get that baby out. Some old school war nickels. A lot of people like war nickels. I like them too, I'm not gonna lie. I do have a little bit in my stack. This is not gonna be on my stack. The only thing I'm really keeping is like probably a good 20 of these. This one I'm gonna be keeping for sure. Now let's go to the dimes. All right, this one should be Roosevelt dimes right here. And it's going for the same purpose. I'm not keeping none of these right here. This is all going for the support the Urban Lifestyle Channel Fund on my Wednesdays videos. All right, so guys, make sure you hit that notification icon so you guys can see what's going on Wednesdays. Some of you guys may know, but for anybody who may be new to the channel, let's see what we have here. Here we go. We have a whole bunch of dimes, Roosevelt dimes right here, and at the same time, who doesn't love playing with some constitutional silver? All right, now we have this baby right here, the last set right here, and this one is all Mercury dimes. Not Mercury, yeah, Mercury dimes, yeah, right there. Mercury dimes, a little bit of old school. Okay, so let's put these out real quick. Real beautiful. So I'm gonna add this to the collection here. This should sustain for a whole month and then until I have to get new ones. But man, let's just throw all these stuff away. But in recaps, we see I have made this call or damaged American Silver Eagle. We also have some Roosevelt dimes, we have some war nickels, and we also have some Mercury dimes right there. But that's pretty much all I have here. Like I said, most of this is pretty much, well, not this right here. This one's I'm keeping. This right here, most of them, probably taking a good 20 of these because I did use my personal stack for my Wednesdays video. But I'm gonna replace them with that, and all this right here is gonna be going to you guys. Well, whoever shows the channel support on Wednesdays, make sure you guys check out Wednesday. Preferably 8 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. I'm gonna be coming up on Wednesday, and then you guys will see what I'm talking about. I don't feel like going through the whole spiel here. But guys, thank you so much for watching another video from Urban Lifestyle. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification. I mean, come on, it helps out the channel, right? Support the channel. You guys may be getting some of these, all right? But thank you so much for watching. Hit that thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below, and have a beautiful day. And don't forget to always work and grind. Ow, ow, I hit that. Oh, never mind.